In this video, I'm going to show you how you convert a parabola from standard form to vertex form. So right now our function is in standard form. X squared plus 4x plus 3. Now vertex form looks like this. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k, where hk is the vertex. So if you're in vertex form, right away you can figure out what the vertex is by using what's in that place and what's in that place. Now let's change ours from standard form to vertex form. And we're going to do this by completing the square. I take the x squared plus 4x. So I'm going to group those together and leave out our plus 3 over here. If I take our b term, 4x to the 4, I'm going to take that, divide by 2, and square it. And this becomes 2 squared, or 4. I'm going to add that right here. Now if I add 4, to make this balance, I have to subtract 4. So I'm going to subtract 4 out here. So net, I added 0 to that side. Now what I'm going to do, x squared plus 4x plus 4, I'm going to write that as a quantity squared. That's going to be x plus 2 quantity squared. And at the end, 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Alright, so now is in vertex form. If I look here, vertex form is x minus h. So here I have x plus 2, so it's not minus, it's plus 2. So that means our h is actually negative 2. So it's going to be the opposite sign that's in the middle. And then our k, that's going to keep the sign that it's showing, so it's going to be negative 1. So our vertex is at negative 2, negative 1. And now you know how to convert a quadratic function from standard form to vertex form.